Woke Nation Blues. Woke Nation Blues. Yeah. We used to speak our minds, let the truth be free. Now we're walking on eggshells in the land of the PC. Can't say what we feel without a backlash storm. In this woke nation, the rules have all been torn. Woke nation, where's the freedom gone? Every word we say is measured, every tone's a pawn. Woke nation, in the land of the brave. Now we tiptoe in shadows, afraid to misbehave. The flag waves high but the voices get low. Afraid to offend, we put on a show. What happened to the days when debate was our pride? Now we censor ourselves just to survive the tide. Woke nation, where's the freedom gone? Every word we say is measured, every tone's a pawn. Woke nation in the land of the brave. Now we tiptoe in shadows, afraid to misbehave. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for respect, but can we find balance without losing the connect? We're all humans, we're bound to slip and fall, but this woke nation's got us backed against the wall. So here's to the dreamers who still dare to speak in this land of the free, where the truth feels weak. Let's find a way back to our hearts can be heard, and the woke nation won't silence every word. Woke nation, where's the freedom gone? Every word we say is measured, every tone's a pawn. Woke nation, in the land of the brave. Now we tiptoe in shadows, afraid to misbehave. Woke nation, where's the freedom gone? Woke nation. Woke nation.